I love box wine.
I actually do like it.
I love box wine.
Trailbenders Overland is presented by Stocka Media and supporting sponsor, the Waterport.
Of that rock formation.
It's a good thing you're out. Did we buy these ones?
Yeah. It's pretty cheap.
Amazing, but
Get it going. Get it going. You grab it.
Once you're it's ice cubes. Oh! Dang.
There's not enough light. I can't get pictures of you.
Oh! Oh! Oh!
Hey, your pants are getting wet.
Whose? Don't bail on me, Dilly. Oh, it's too deep. Whose idea?
no! Oh!
Oh, my feet are frozen.
Hey, we can make it to there.
All right, yeah, we gotta make it somewhere. We can't go back. You keep moving forward.
Push on.
Oh, I can't feel it now.
Hey, you guys have to sit back here
Oh, that's freaking deep.
and look at me.
Go,
Ready?
push on, push on.
Look.
Look.
Billy. I need a picture of
No,
both
it gets
of
too
you.
deep
Come
right
on.
there. Come on. It gets too deep right there.
Look up. Okay. You guys are so far apart. Nope.
Use the flash.
You move. Wait, there's flash.
Put it sideways. 3, 2, 1. Okay.
Use the flash.
It's too deep over there.
Use the flash.
It gets too deep real quick.
Oh, hold on.
Do it one more time then. Oh, Dylan, your hat's in the way.
It's like deceivingly
Oh,
deep. Like
freezing.
you have no idea how deep it really is until you get in it.
Dang.
Past the sun.
We went.
Okay, we gotta go.
We went to get in it to win it, but apparently it's too deep. So looks may be deceiving sometimes.
Yeah. You think? You think?
Oh, dang.
All right, it's getting dark real quick. Somehow we figure out about sunset and
Get to like.
we're running out of light.
Oh, you're.
So we're booking it down.
Note to self: it gets super dark really fast.
Really, really fast.
If only someone had told you that.
Who? Like who? Sarah tried to warn us that it was getting dark, and we were like, yeah, we want to jump in the water, which was ethically cold.
Good daylight.
Yeah, it was light then, 5 minutes ago.
Yeah. As soon as we take our shoes off, you look up and it's dark.
Yeah.
So
We're like, let's jump in. It's daylight. Take our shoes off. Dark. What? So I'm just working on the map right here, making sure I can find our camp spot tonight / the trail that we're going on tomorrow. So I'm just gonna kind of set up a little route and make sure we know where we're going.
Wow, this is really sharp.
Yeah, that was a good one. Okay, so we have 20 miles to destination. Well, we got 20 miles to trailhead. Who knows how long it'll be once we get on the trail to our actual camp spot. It says arrival time is going to be 7:24. It is 6:45 right now. I'm guessing it'll be a little bit quicker than that. But let's get there and see what we can find.
Sounds good. Once we get there, oh, here's the tunnel. Very nice. And we're also recording awesomeness.
A mile-long tunnel.
Is it really?
It sure is.
Light bars. Look at this. Spicy mango jalapeno brats with cheddar, cheese, and veggies.
Alright.
Hopefully this is a good quality video.
Time to eat. I'm hungry. We're hungry.
Alright, today was a successful day. We focused more on hiking and charging batteries, so there was a little bit of complications with some of the drones, or my drone in particular.
Steven's drone.
With an update. So nevertheless, we conducted those trails. The upper pools, it was really nice, beautiful scenery, and so tomorrow we have a really big day ahead of us. So we got some food in our system, and now we are camping at campsite checkpoint 2, which is on the Barracks Trail. So we are at the very start of the Barracks Trail. Tomorrow we go into it. So.
Sarah cooked up some brat.
And a veggie bowl.
And a veggie brat.
Thank you.
And it was super yummy. And Steven and I both had a lot of food.
And wine.
I'm full. And wine. We had plenty of wine.
Spicy mango jalapeno
With
brats.
Oh.
Dylan put this
with the chili. Oh yeah, this is good stuff.
no chili for me.
Yeah. Well. Oh, I just got it on my hand. Oh, that's so good.
Crispy.
Okay, well. Thank God for awnings.
Yeah,
Mr.
it's
Peter.
raining right now. Did we even mention that it's raining?
Yeah, it's most definitely raining. I don't know if you can hear it.
And also, you got to test out your
Rainfly. Yeah, just made the rainfly. You guys will see the video for that on the channel soon. And well, we're gonna be in bed soon, and hopefully dry.
Do you hear the rain coming down?
It's coming down.
It's coming down.
All right.
And then
well,
Steve.
Very happy to be here. Had a ton of fun, a lot of scenic views, and
good time with
awesome times.
Good times with the fam.
So as we say, have a good night.
Good night, Sarah.
Good night, Dylan.
Good night, Steven.
Good night, Dylan.
Good night, Steve.
Good night, Betty.
Good night, Sarah.
Aw, good night, you guys.
Good night. Pool of water just building. That's the nutsack. So let's take care of that.
Whoa! Yeah, there's a bit more.
And that's why I love this thing, is because you can do that. You can set one side of this awning down.
I dropped a chair in the mud.
Sorry.
So before I was rudely interrupted by Dylan's clumsiness, what I was saying was, this build that we did, you can put this arm down and leave that arm up, so if it does rain, it can maintain, you know, free and clear of the water buildup. So, very good build. What is it? Probably like 25 degrees out, maybe a little bit, like 30.
30.
About 30, dirty 30, right? And it's freaking awesome because it's like been sitting in the refrigerator all night. But this is the orange juice you want. Chug that, Dylan.
Oh, I'll chug that.
Nifty idea. We can't take credit for it. At least I can't, because I saw it on Facebook Life Hacks page.
Camping hack.
Camping hack.
Something
right?
like that.
Something along those lines. Where they just put a bunch of eggs into a water bottle and use that versus, like, you know, bringing the egg in the eggshell and stuff like that, so you don't break any or whatever. So really, really, really cool. I spent like maybe most of my morning just trying to clean off mud out of everything.
And Sarah and I actually had our own little hookups in the tent. It's the first time we had it in the rain, so that was a little bit interesting. The rain, water came through the walls. Not too much, just enough to make the edges of our sleeping bags damp, but definitely something to fix. We'll get some kind of coating or something. So we have the heater going on right now to kind of help dry things off. That's working well. So we're just getting cleaned up, getting ready for Barracks Trail. Not sure how much of it we're gonna do. Hey, Steven, how much of the trail you think we're gonna be able to do?
Well, I don't expect anything, so the biggest thing is I'm just looking to go have fun, cross some river crossings, and, you know, just go from there. I'm not, if we go maybe a half mile, I'm still satisfied. Off-roading's off-roading. You never know what's going to be around the corner, so never expect.
Hey, Sarah.
Yeah.
How's it going for you?
Now that I'm warm, a lot better. But sleeping last night wasn't too bad because the rain only reached the edges and we were in the center. It stayed pretty warm. I was really, really happy about that. I'm really glad we have rain because it's my favorite weather, but I'm not happy about how cold it is. So, Mr. Buddy Heater, or whatever it's called, thank you so much. I'm ready to go off-roading today.